We call on stage another awardee with highest honors from the Science, Technology, Engineering, Mathematics strand for his closing remark. Let's all welcome Kyle Stephen O. Overo.
To our guest speaker, the school's division superintendent, Dr. Norma B. Samantala. RSI President, Madam Maria Eusebia Gaite Quinones. To our dearest teachers, parents, and to my fellow graduates, good evening. Today marks a significant milestone in our lives, a moment we've all waiting for. Each of one here today has overcome numerous challenges. And now, we can say that all of our hard work and perseverance are all worth it. Our resilience and unwavering commitment have brought us here in this moment. And for that, we all deserve to rejoice and celebrate. But as we look back, it is undeniable that high school life is the most fun and exciting chapter in our lives, marked by countless memories, experiences, and learnings that shape who we are and who we'll become. Here, we experienced those first times in our lives. We found true friends that help us to draw many unforgettable experiences and classmates that makes this journey truly memorable. But today, our high school life comes to an end that led to the beginning of a new chapter. That's part of our journey towards the future that we aspire to be. As we embark on our college life, let's reflect on the memories we've made, the lessons that we've learned, and the dreams we carry forward. The moments of laughter and tears that we shared with each other will always be cherished and forever be etched in our memories. On behalf of the graduating class of 2024, we would like to extend our sincerest gratitude and appreciation to those who made this momentous event possible. To our Almighty God, we are truly grateful for His everlasting guidance and support. We have accomplished this journey because of His grace and power. To our guest speaker, thank you for the knowledge you've imparted to us. Your insights have truly enriched our graduation ceremony, and we are grateful for the time and effort you've dedicated to inspire and motivate us. To the RSI teachers and principal, thank you for unwavering support throughout this journey. Your guidance has been instrumental in shaping ourselves and nurturing our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. We are grateful for your tireless efforts in ensuring our success and for being an inspiring role model to us. To our proud parents, we are very grateful for your endless love and support. Thank you for always believing in us, for the words of encouragement, and a lot of sacrifices to provide us financially and emotionally. We are here because of you. To my parents, thank you po sa lahat po ng ginawa niyo sa amin. And especially po kay Papa na kahit wala po siya ngayon dahil nagtatrabaho po siya sa Manila para sa construction worker po para mas ma-provide po yung mga pangailangan namin sa school. Thank you po dahil sa love niyo po and sa endless support for me. And sa lahat po ng mga relatives ko na always there to support me. And to my friends, thank you for the memories na di ko makakalimutan for my entire life. So these achievements are also your achievement, and this medal symbolizes the effort and sacrifices you've done for us. As this graduation ceremony comes to an end, let me extend my heartfelt congratulations to each and every one of us. Today, we celebrate not only our academic achievements, but also the individuals we all have become. As we venture the new chapter of our student life, may we face this with confidence, purpose, and unwavering belief on our ability. The memories we've all created will always be remembered and may our college life be good to us. On behalf of Class 2024, we are loudly and proudly saying that we are a Rosarian that embody the values of Lux, Veritas, and Sapientia. Keep striving to reach your goals and always look back to our beloved alma mater. Thank you for all your presence and God bless.
Thank you very much, Kyle. It was a brilliant acknowledgement that you gave us.